You search for how to buy shares of ImmunityBio Inc., so this short guide will walk you through the process. ImmunityBio is a clinical stage biotech focused on immunotherapies and vaccines, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IBRX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. And I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will also need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IBRX to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches ImmunityBio Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm details and recent activity. Verify the name shows ImmunityBio Inc. and the ticker IBRX before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to purchase and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled according to order type, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade finalizes. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio alongside your other holdings. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.